breathtaking and unique landscapes in the world? Imagine a land where ancient tradition intertwines with modern innovation, where the past and present coexist in a harmonious balance. This is China, the enigma of the Orient. From the towering peaks of the Himalayas to the serene waters of the West Lake, China's landscapes are as diverse as they are captivating. Each region tells a story, shaped by centuries of history and the indomitable spirit of its people. But it's not just nature's hand at work here. This is a testament to human ingenuity, a remarkable fusion of natural beauty and architectural prowess that has given birth to an array of stunning locations across the country. Stay with us as we embark on a journey through time and space, exploring how China has built its very own paradise. China's paradise didn't just appear overnight. It was a product of millennia of culture, tradition, and ingenuity. From the mists of time, China's history stretches back far and wide. Its earliest chapters were written by the Xia, Shang, and Zhou dynasties, the architects of a civilization that would shape the world. These early dynasties laid the groundwork for what China is today, crafting a unique blend of culture, philosophy, and statecraft that would echo through the ages. Each dynasty contributed to the rich tapestry of Chinese history in its own unique way. The Xia dynasty, though shrouded in myth, is often credited with the birth of Chinese civilization. The Shang dynasty left behind a legacy of bronze artifacts, oracle bones, and written records that shed light on China's early history. The Zhou dynasty, with its Mandate of Heaven, set the stage for the dynastic cycle that would dominate Chinese history for over 2 millennia. These early dynasties, with their innovative approaches to governance, agriculture, and architecture, helped shape the landscapes of China. They built cities, erected palaces, and carved out canals, leaving an indelible imprint on the land. The principles of feng shui, an ancient Chinese philosophy centered on harmonizing individuals with their surrounding environment, became a guiding force. It influenced the layout and design of towns and cities, ensuring a balance of energies and promoting a sense of peace and tranquility. From the grandeur of the Forbidden City to the serene beauty of Suzhou's classical gardens, the influence of feng shui is evident. It's in the alignment of buildings, the positioning of water bodies, and the arrangement of open spaces. These design principles, steeped in tradition and philosophy, have shaped China's landscapes, turning them into a paradise of harmony and balance. Indeed, the paradise we see today in China is not a product of mere chance. It's a testament to the vision and ingenuity of its ancestors, who, over the course of thousands of years, carved out a nation from the rugged terrain, guided by a deep respect for nature and a profound understanding of the world. The seeds of this paradise were sown thousands of years ago, and they have thrived throughout the centuries. In China, the line between nature and human-made wonders often blurs. Here, the ancient wisdom that emphasizes coexistence rather than domination has guided the way people shape their surroundings. This philosophy of living in harmony with nature has played a vital role in shaping China's breathtaking landscapes, creating a paradise where the natural and the man-made merge seamlessly. Let's take a journey to the terraced rice fields that cascade down the hillsides in an intricate pattern of green and gold. Here, farmers have turned steep slopes into fertile farmland, not by bulldozing the mountains, but by following their natural contours. For over 1,000 years, this method has sustained families, communities, and even entire civilizations, proving that mankind can indeed thrive without disrupting nature's balance. Now, let's stroll through China's classical gardens, where every element, from the placement of rocks to the choice of plants, is carefully considered. Each garden is designed to be a microcosm of the natural world, encapsulating mountains, rivers, and forests within a confined space. The result is a tranquil retreat that offers a respite from the bustling city life, a testament to the Chinese belief that living in sync with nature brings peace and tranquility. This harmony between man and nature is not mere aesthetics or an architectural style. It's a philosophy, a way of life, a testament to the ancient wisdom that teaches respect for the natural world. In a world where urbanization often means sacrificing green spaces, China's approach offers a refreshing perspective. It shows us that development need not mean destruction, that progress can be achieved without severing our ties with the natural world. In China, one doesn't have to choose between the beauty of nature and the convenience of human-made structures. Here, skyscrapers coexist with ancient trees, and highways wind through lush green mountains. It's a place where modernity and tradition, nature and culture, all blend into a harmonious whole. In China, the human touch enhances nature, and nature in turn enriches human life. The story of China's paradise is not just one of the past, but also of the present and the future. In the heart of China's bustling cities, you'll find monuments to the country's innovative spirit and unyielding dedication to progress, all while preserving their rich cultural heritage. This is the story of modern marvels, of structures that pierce the sky and inspire awe. Consider the Beijing National Stadium, fondly nicknamed the Bird's Nest. This architectural masterpiece, a testament to the country's creativity, was unveiled to the world during the 2008 Olympics. With its intricate latticework of steel, the Bird's Nest captures the dynamism and complexity of modern China while paying homage to the country's ancient craft of ceramics and pottery. Then, let's travel east to Shanghai, home to the Shanghai Tower. Soaring over 2,000 feet into the sky, this colossal structure stands as the second tallest building in the world. But it's not just its height that's impressive. The Shanghai Tower is a symbol of China's commitment to sustainable development. Its spiraling form reduces wind loads, while its double-glass facade conserves energy. This is not just a skyscraper, it's a vision of a sustainable future grounded in the wisdom of the past. These modern marvels are not just steel and glass, they're embodiments of China's enduring principles. They represent a balance between progress and tradition, between rapid development and respect for the environment. They're testament to China's ability to innovate and adapt, to build a future that respects and honors its past. In each city, in each structure, we see a story of transformation. Yet amidst the change, the heart of China remains the same. The values of harmony, balance, and respect for nature that shaped the paradise of yesterday continue to inspire the marvels of today. Today, China continues to build upon its paradise, bringing ancient principles into the modern world. What does the future hold for China's paradise? As we delve into the crystal ball, we find ourselves asking this question. Looking at the current trends, we can speculate that China's landscapes are on the cusp of a transformation, a metamorphosis that marries the old with the new, the natural with the man-made. The future of China's paradise is a tale of two halves. On one hand, we see an evolution of urban planning, where the concrete jungle is no longer a metaphor but a reality. Skyscrapers are no longer soulless monoliths of metal and glass, but living, breathing entities, draped in greenery, humming with the rhythm of life. Imagine a city where buildings are not just structures but ecosystems, where the line between the urban and the natural is blurred. This is the vision that China's urban planners are working towards, a sustainable future where man and nature coexist in harmony. On the other hand, we see a renewed emphasis on preserving the country's natural and cultural heritage. China is a country steeped in history, and its landscapes are an open museum, a testament to the passage of time. There's a recognition that these landscapes are not just pretty pictures, but a part of the country's identity, a link to its past. There's a concerted effort to protect these landscapes, to ensure that they are not lost in the march towards progress. Measures are being taken to limit the impact of tourism, to promote sustainable practices, and to educate the public about the importance of conservation. At the same time, China is accommodating its rapid growth. It's a delicate balancing act, a juggling act of sorts, where the need for development is weighed against the need for preservation. But if anyone can pull it off, it's China. After all, this is a country that has built a paradise in the East, that has turned dreams into reality. So, what does the future hold for China's paradise? It's a question with no definite answers, only possibilities. But one thing is certain, it's a future that's as exciting as it is promising. As we look to the future, we can only imagine what wonders China's paradise will next unfold. China's paradise is not just a destination, but a journey. A journey through time, from the ancient foundations that lay the groundwork of a remarkable civilization to the modern marvels that stand as symbols of innovation and progress. This journey intertwines with nature, demonstrating a harmony that is as breathtaking as it is inspiring. The story of China's paradise is a testament to the nation's ability to balance tradition with innovation. It's about honoring the past while embracing the future. It's about the respect for the natural world and the recognition of human ingenuity. It's about the creation of a place that's not just incredible but also sustainable. And isn't that the epitome of paradise? A place where the old and the new coexist, where nature and human creation enhance each other, and where sustainability is not an afterthought, but a fundamental principle.